It's a beautiful wall of this Selaginella. It grows very nicely on laterite rocks and quite a big specimen also. So nicely they can survive. And I thought we'll look at this close up little bit today. And then little bit root also you can see. Selaginella root. This one, it's one of the most primitive plant. They are among the first ones to develop stems and leaves, if I am right. Then along with that, this one also is growing. These names and all I forgot. This is those small delicate creatures. The leaves and all look little bit like that melastoma melabatricum kind of look is there. Pink flowers also. So that is also growing on the wall from there. The only thing is mosquitoes start biting in these kind of places. Then there's a second plant. And this one also again growing on the wall. So 3 species. One more is there. What is this? Can't get better. Oh, that is the wall.